आम्ही सध्या आसा पणजे केटीसी बस स्टँडार आणि तुम्ही माझ्या फाटल्यान हे पळोवपाक शकता जी डॉमेट्री म्हणून हांगासर आसा. सो आयज हेजेर बोवाळ जाता की एकूच गजाली खातीर की गोवा कॅनाचे जे रोलन मार्टीन सर आसा तांच्यांनी एक हांगासर इश्यू हायलायट केला. तो असो की हे जी डॉमेट्री आसा ती टुरिजमा अंडर रजिस्टर आसा हॉटेल म्हणून, आणि जेन्ना ती टुरिजमा अंडर हॉटेल म्हणून रजिस्टर आसा जाल्यार ताजो जो ओनर आसा तेजो रेजिडेन्शियल जो एड्रेस म्हणून आसा तो हेच जे शॉप आसा त्या शॉपाचो थंयसर डिटेल दिल्या. सो रेजिडेन्शियल एड्रेस हरशी घराचो आसूंक जाय पूण थंय शॉपाचो आसा.
This ongoing campaign, we were at Panjim bus stand, and it came to our notice that there is one place operating as a dormitory and so-called like a guest house on the ground floor of the Panjim bus stand in a shop number 35, and it had some sliding doors and with double-decker beds. So it caught our attention because normally in a bus stand you don't have a guest house operating in the bus stand, because bus stand is a daytime activity and after that it's shut down. So we tried to make some inquiries, and then the person who was there, he came out and I asked him, I said, Baba, you are having a license for this? So he produced one registration thing, and I was a bit intrigued about it because it says so and so person resident of shop number 35, and which made me think, how can you have somebody residing in a shop? And basically that alerted me to think about many today scenarios are there where, you know, in the method of giving licenses etc., we don't look at all the implications of it. So I asked him, do you have a fire like NOC, do you have a health NOC, where is your toilet, bathroom, you know, all these type of things. Because what happens here, many consumers benefit of such schemes and facility, then when they are not satisfied they file complaints to us to take it up as a consumer issue. So we thought it's best that we should alert all the agencies, particularly tourism department, because we noticed that this certificate of registration is given for a period of 5 years.